Hello students, so in this video we will discuss this important question. This can come in like a long question, 4 marks, 5 marks. Okay. So find the inverse of the matrix A 2, 3, 5, 7 using elementary operation. So we have to use elementary operation and we have to find the inverse of this matrix. Okay. So in this we will use the concept if A into B is equal to I. Correct? First you need to understand which concept we are going to use, then we'll solve the question. If AB is equal to I, then in this case B is called A inverse. This you studied, correct, in the determinant chapter, inverse of the matrix. A into B is equal to I, then B is called A inverse. Okay, so we are going to use this concept. So solution I will start from this page. Okay, so solution you will write in exam, like you will start from here using elementary operations A you can write as IA, no issue I think, correct, because I is what, identity matrix, correct, like 2 you can write as 1 into 2, so this is also similar, identity matrix is also similar. Okay, so A you can write as I into A. Now what will do, this left side I will replace this A with this matrix 2, 3, 5, 7. So this side, left side I will write 2, 3, 5, 7, correct, and right side I will not write this A, correct, I will write this I identity matrix, you know, into second order 1, 0, 0, 1. This is identity matrix, and A I will write as it is. A I will write as A only. Okay. So left side I replace this A with this matrix, given matrix in the question. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7. Identity matrix I replaced with 1, 0, 0, 1, and A I wrote as it is. Correct. Now I will try to perform the operation and ultimately we will find like left side I, our target will be this I, and right side I will get here some matrix instead of this if I will perform operation and into A. So in this case I will get this B as inverse of A. So we are going to perform the operation and we will try to convert this left side matrix into identity matrix. Identity matrix means 1, 0, 0, 1, correct. So I will try to convert this left side matrix in this identity matrix. Okay, this will be our target. Okay, so for that how I will do, correct, this we have to convert 1, 0, 0, 1, correct. So this element should be 1, this element should be 0, this element should be, this should be 1, this should be 0, this should be 1, correct. So we'll perform the operation so that it will become correct. So now our first target is I will make either this 0 or this 0. Okay, so first I am targeting this 5. I am making this 5 as 0. Okay, so for that which operation I should perform? I will perform R2 because this 5 is in R2, row 2. So R2 minus R2 I will do as R2 minus corresponding element is 2. So corresponding element is 2. So I need 5 minus 5. So how I can make this 2 as 5? This 2 I have to make 5, means I will multiply with 5 upon 2, correct. So R2 minus 5 upon 2 into R1. R2 minus 5 upon 2 into R1. This I will do, correct. Now I discussed in previous videos also how we will solve this. The corresponding element like this R2 will change, correct. First element 5, so 5 will become 5 R2 minus 5 upon 2 into R1. R1 corresponding element is 2, so 2, 2, so 5 minus 5, 0. So this 5 will become now 0, correct? So I'm performing the operation and I'm just writing. So left side, the R1 will be same. On R1 I'm not performing operation, so 2, 3. So 2, 3 as it is, correct? And this element will become 0, just now I calculated. And this will be, 7 will be, so 7 R2 minus 5.2 into R1. R1 means 3. R1 is 3, corresponding 3. So 7 minus 5 3 is 15, 15 upon 2. So if you will calculate, you will get minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2. So instead of 7, I will write minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So this is left side. Right side also we will perform the same operation. Right side also we will perform the same operation. This operation only right hand side. So right hand side, first row is same, 1 0. So first row I am not performing any operation, so this will be 1 0, correct? And this A will be A only. Now R2 will change. This R2 will change. R2 element will be now, R2 means 0 for this element, 0 minus 5.2 into R1. So R1 corresponding element for this 0 is 1. So you will write 1. So it means 0 minus 5.2 into 1 is 5.2. So 0 minus 5.2 means minus 5.2. So this 0 will become now minus 5.2 after performing the operation. Okay. So this is minus 5.2. The same type of operation I will perform here on 1. Correct. So R2 second element is 1. So 1 will become R2 1 minus 5.2 R1. R1 corresponding element is 0. For 1 corresponding element is 0. So 5.2 into 0. So 1 minus 5.2 into 0 is 0 only. So 1 minus 0 is 1 only. So this element will be 1 only. This will be 1 only. Correct. Now this element I got 0. But now this element I got 1 because left side I want this now. Correct. This should be converted in this. Correct. So this 0 I got. Now this element I am targeting now on this 3. 3 should become 0. Okay. So now I am keeping our focus on this 3. How I will make this 3 as 0. So this 3 will become 0 when I will do 3 minus 3. And if I would perform any operation, then corresponding element is minus 1 upon 2. So I should do something like this, 2, and that is already minus, so plus 6 into minus 1 upon 2. If I will do this, then this will become 3 minus 3, 0. It means, which operation I should perform? This 3 is nothing but R1. So R1 plus 6 into, this is minus 1 upon 2 is R2 element. So 6 into R2. It means on R1 I should perform operation now as R1 plus 6 R2. Means I should perform operation as R1 on R1 as R1 plus 6 into R2. Correct? Then only I will get this as 0. Okay? So now I will perform this operation. So on R1 I am performing operation. So R1 element will change. R1 element will change. So this 2 will change as, this 2 will change as 2 plus 6 into R2. R2 corresponding element is 0. So 6 into 0. So 2 plus 6 into 0 is 0 only. So 2 plus 0 means 2. So this element will be 2 only. Correct? No change. Now the second 3. So 3 will become 0. Just now I calculated because 3 plus 6 into R2 corresponding element is minus 1 upon 2. This will be 3. So 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 means 0. So this will become 0. And on R1 only I am performing the operation. On R2 there is no operation. So R2 will be as it is, 0 minus 1 upon 2. Now the same thing will happen to right side. R2 there is no change. R2 will be R2 only. But R1 will change. So this R1 element will change. So R1 element, the first R1 element is 1. So 1 will change as R1 plus 6 into R2. R2 means minus 5 upon 2. Because corresponding element for this 1 is minus 5 upon 2. So if you will do calculations, 3, then 1 minus 3 into 5, 15, minus 14. These all are rough work you will do. Okay, I am doing here only. So minus 14. So this will be minus 14. Similarly, the second 0 will be, this 0 will be R1 means 0 plus 6 into R2. R2 means 1. R2 corresponding element is 1. So 0 plus 6 into 1, 0 plus 6, that will be 6. So this will be 6. Okay, so done, and A will be A only. Now, in left side, if you will see, I need I left side, no? Starting only I told, so this I need. So our job is done as this side 0, yes. This side 0, yes. So now I have to focus on these two elements. These two elements should be 1. So how I will get this 1? So on first row, this 2. If I will divide with 2, then I will get 1. Correct? So what I will do? On R1, because these two consist in R1, correct? So R1 I will do as R1 upon 2, means 1 upon 2 into R1. This operation I will perform. So if I will perform this operation, so this will become 1 upon 2 into 2, that is 1, and this will become 1 upon 2 into 0, that is 0 only. Okay, so this will become 1, 0, and I am performing operation on R1. R2 also you can do simultaneously, okay, but I am doing one by one. So R1 will become 1, 0, this will be same, I am not performing any operation. 0 minus 1 upon 2, so this will be 0 minus 1 upon 2, and same operation you will perform right side. So right side will be R1 is half into R1, so R1 means minus 14, so half into minus 14 means minus 7, so this minus 14 will become minus 7 by performing the operation. Similarly, the second element 6 will become half into 6, that will be 3, correct, by performing the operation. And R2 I am not performing operation, so R2 will be same, minus 5 upon 2, 1, minus 5 upon 2 and 1, correct. So this is same, and this A will be A only. Now the last thing, I need this as 1. So 1, how I will get 1? So minus 1 upon 2 into 2, then I will get minus 1. So it means I should multiply with minus 2, so that this minus will become minus plus. So it means this is R2 into minus 2. So what I will do? I will perform operation on R2 as R2 into minus 2. So if I will perform this operation on R1, no operation, so as it is R2, this will become 0 into minus 2. 0 into minus 2 will be 0 only, and this will become minus 1 upon 2 into minus 2. So minus plus 2 will cancel, it will become 1, correct. And right side also I am performing operation on R2. So R1 will be as it is, R2 will be minus 5 upon 2 into minus 2. So minus 5 upon 2 into minus 2. So 2 cancel, minus plus, so 5, correct. So this minus 5 upon 2 after operation, this will become 5, correct. And this 1 will become 1 into minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 means minus 2. So this will become minus 2, correct. And A is A only. So left side if you will see, this is nothing but identity matrix. It means left side I got I, and right side this is nothing but B. I am giving name some B, and this is A. So if I is equal to B into A, then B is nothing but A inverse. If this is the situation, then B is nothing but A inverse. In starting only I explained, if A into B is I or B into A is I, so B is equal to A inverse. So it means A inverse is nothing but this matrix. So either you can write this, or you, without writing this, whatever the result is there, you will tell this as A inverse. So our A inverse is, this matrix means minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2. Minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2. So this is not difficult. Okay, just do 1 or 2 questions from the book. Okay, try, you will get the idea how to do. Okay, just you have to keep focus that left side, you have to make this left side matrix as I means 1, 0, 0, 1. So according to that I will perform the operation, so that I will get in left side 1, 0, 0, 1. For that 4 operation will be required for 2 cross 2 matrix, and ultimately this will be your A inverse. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box.